Friends, a company advertises a mean lifespan of 1,000 hours particular types of light bulb. If you were in sense the quality of control factory, would you perfect that the standard deviation of a lifespan for the light bulbs be 5 hours or 50 hours? Choose the correct answer. That means advertising lifespan. Okay, so our desired result is option B. 5 hours would be preferable since smaller standard deviation indicates more consistency. Okay, we choose 5 5 hours, that 5 hours or 50 hours. 5 hours would be preferable. A small standard deviation indicates more consistency. Okay, we are going for this time and see you again next time. Bye bye.